Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Bed Bath & Beyond app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Bed Bath & Beyond is a retail shopping app designed to give users easy access to a wide range of home essentials, furniture, bedding, kitchenware, and decor. The app allows you to browse thousands of products, save favorites, and shop online with convenient delivery or in-store pickup options. It also supports features like digital coupons, order tracking, and personalized recommendations to help shoppers save money and time. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. The app is appreciated for its user-friendly design, organized categories, and smooth checkout process. Many users like the ease of applying coupons directly in the app, the availability of exclusive deals, and the option to create and manage gift registries. The ability to sync across devices also adds convenience for frequent shoppers. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some users report occasional glitches with coupons not applying correctly, issues with account login, and delays in delivery tracking updates. Others note that the app can feel slow during peak sale events, and product availability may vary depending on location. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the Bed Bath & Beyond app may be worth using if you're looking for a convenient way to shop for home essentials while taking advantage of digital coupons and personalized deals. It shines in accessibility, savings, and ease of use. However, if you're concerned about shipping delays or app glitches, it might not always deliver the smoothest experience. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.